Hello everybody, in this video we will take a quick look at the TCC Super Sponge Mat. So if you're into close-up magic and need a close-up pad, you might want to stick around. As the name suggests, the Super Sponge Mat is made of a layer of sponge and a velvety fabric layer. This allows you to crumple it up, fold it or roll it for easy portability and storage. And the best part, it restores to its pristine condition in just minutes, with no creases whatsoever. The velvety surface feels very nice, as you would expect from a close-up mat. There is no rubber backing, it's just sponge, but there is a slight grip. It is not as grippy as rubber, but it's not bad. The Super Sponge Mat measures 50 cm by 34 cm or 19.7 inches by 13.4 inches. This pad is advertised as being crease resistant. I'm not sure if it will be completely crease proof if you store it like this for long periods of time. Obviously, it is not indestructible, but mine did come packed like this all the way from China, and it was just fine. I do prefer a hard-backed mat for practice, but this could be a very good option for travel or jam sessions. This is listed as $35 on the TCC website, but for the 13th anniversary special for the entire month of November 2023, which is still ongoing at the time of recording this video, you can purchase this for $19.90, and TCC provides a code for an additional 20% off. Next up, we have the TCC Artisan Coins. TCC has made some coins that are intended to be a new option for magicians as an alternative to the popular US half dollars and Morgan dollars or replica Morgans on the market. The coins are designed to imitate a coin from some faraway land. On the silver coin, this image is meant to be Hephaestus, the Greek god of artisans and craftsmen. On the copper counterpart, features Aphrodite, the Greek goddess of love and beauty. Both coins display the Artisan Coin logo on the reverse side. These are similar in size to US half dollars and Morgan dollars. I don't have a real Morgan dollar, so here is an Eisenhower dollar for comparison. The coins have deep milled edges, which some might prefer. The half dollar coin I have has more of a matte look versus the dollar size one. The copper coin will patina over time. This particular one I've been playing for about 2 to 3 days. The coins are not magnetic though. Who would like this? If you want to try out dollar size coins, but don't want to shell out the money for real Morgan dollars, this could be a good option for you to try out. It would be great if, and I assume that TCC is already working on this, that gaff coins, like turtles and so on, be offered in this style of coin. The half dollar size retails for $2 and the dollar size is $4 each. So next up, we have a review and unboxing of the Master Cups and Balls by TCC. The packaging is very similar to their previous cups and ball sets. This time there is no tutorial link under the lid. Inside the box, you will find the 3 cups. I really like the mirror finish. Apart from an aluminum cups and ball set I have, this is my first set of chrome or silver colored cups, and I really like the look of these. You also get 4 red working balls. This is also TCC's first set of polished cups and ball set. The previous set of regular cups and balls and combo sets all have had this antique brass finish. The TCC Master Cups and Balls come in gold or silver. I have the silver set. The gold is polished brass and the silver is chrome plated. The cups are a CNC straight set and have the popular rounded Paul Fox shape. I can't tell if they use the same machine tooling to make this, but these are almost the same shape as the Artistic Cups and Balls 2.0, the non-combo set. One difference is the saddle. The edges of the saddle feel more rounded on the Master Cups and Balls compared to the Artistic Cups and Balls 2.0. The cups are heavy, feel very nice in the hand, and handle very nicely. Maybe it's the way polished cups feel in the hand, but for some reason, I like these more than the Artistic Cups and Balls 2.0. The inside of the cups does not have a mirror finish. Some people may not like polished cups. The reflection might give away the fact that there is something in your hand or inside the cup. The polished surface is a fingerprint magnet, and dings and dents are much more obvious. Here are some measurements. The height of the cup is approximately 73 mm. The outer diameter of the mouth of the cup is approximately 80 millimeters. The inside diameter of the cup is approximately 69 millimeters. Each cup weighs about 260 grams, which is much lighter than the combo cups and balls set by TCC. The provided crochet balls are approximately 27 millimeters. 3 balls can nest perfectly on the saddle. These take a tennis ball as a final load. Here is a sound test. These cups retail for $150 but for the TCC 13th anniversary sale, which is ongoing at the time of recording these videos, you can get this now at $99. The 20% site-wide discount code also applies to these new releases. There is not much else to say about the Master Cups and Balls by TCC. In my opinion, this is an excellent intermediate set for the money, and is comparable to much more expensive sets on the market. I would like to thank TCC Magic for sending me these items to review. Check out the TCC 13th anniversary sale, which is ongoing until the end of November 2023. Hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.